oh boy, it's Bonfire night! Finally! Another great Bonfire night to look forward to. Oh man, I'm so excited. But I need to calm down. Oh boy, I can't wait to watch some fireworks tonight, Branch. I know, Lloyd. I know they're gonna be sick. Yeah. I just love fireworks. Yeah. They're gonna make me fix the drip. Okay. I just need some fireworks out of this shed. Who? Is this Branch? Huh? Oh, it's you, Branch. Oh, it's you, Shark Puppet. What are you doing here? Oi, Branch, I have invited you to compete in the 2023 Bonfire Night Fireworks Battle with your brothers. Oh, this is gonna be so epic. I have to get my brothers. What's going on? Is that you, Shark Puppet? Yes. Oh my gosh. It's actually Shark Puppet. Oi, you must be Guy. Okay. I heard that there's some sort of fireworks battle tonight. Yes, and you are going to compete in it. Say what? Sorry, what? Yes, you guys are going to be competing as well. Oh, it's Shark Puppet. Yes, that's my name. And you'll be competing against these guys.
And his name is John C.
These guys have got the cup 6 years in a row. Well, this is going to be quite a battle. Hey, you're no match for me, baby Branch. I'm not a baby anymore. I'm an adult. Grown up so fast! I think I'm about to explode. Well, tonight's the big night. Good luck out there tonight, Branch. You're gonna need it. Oh, I know I will. Oh, you! This is Shark Puppet here, welcoming you all to the 2023 Bonfire Night Fireworks Battle. Yeah, that's what I want. A capital audience clapping. Welcome to the show, everyone. Tonight, we have 2 teams who are ready to set off one of the most spectacular fireworks ever! Team number 1, Brozo Team, Branch, John Dory, Spruce, Cly, and Lloyd. And Team 2, 6-time winning Team Green Kirby, Pac-Man, and Bloobersaw. No, let the games begin. Team number 1, Team Green Kirby. Captain Leader going first. Very good, Pac-Man. And finally, Bloobersaw. Not bad, guys. We got fireworks that are better than yours. I'll go first. What you going for, Floyd? The meteor shower rocket. What's that supposed to do? You'll see. That's it? Oh, nothing special. Wait, guys. Just wait. Wait for what? Whoa! I gotta say, that's pretty awesome. Hey, yo, sick. Awesome. Whoa! Now that's very Bonjour! So, Clay, what you got for us? This firework is so special. Why? Because what's this? Wow! Awesome, dude! Now that's awesome. We're never gonna win. Come on, bro, you got to admit that Clay's firework is awesome. Yeah. Woo! No, that's another 5 points. As I was saying, sorry. As I was saying, another 5 points for Team Boozle. Hey Spruce, why are these two fireworks strapped together? I made this all by myself. Whoa, awesome! Oh, whoa! Hey, yo, sick! 5 points! Hey, check this one out. It's lit. Amazing! Awesome! Yes, baby! Number 5 points! Yeah. Say, what you got there, Brunch? This turns the whole sky into green. Whoa, it's gonna turn the whole sky into green. I'm gonna see. Okay. Sick! That's awesome! Woo! Ow! 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 How? How can it turn the whole sky into green? This is making me. Control it. That's sick! 10 points this time! Did you hear that? We got 10 points! Yes, we're gonna win! Yeah! I knew we could do it! Yeah, let's go! And now for the last firework. What's it to be, Bronch? This, the big boy. Lighting it up now. Alright. You want this lighted together. Stand back, guys. She's gonna go kabloomy. Whoa! I gotta say, oh my gosh, we can't invent one like that. Whoa! 15 points this time. Now, it's the end of the game, and we have to pick the winning team. So, I can declare that the winner of the 2023 Bonfire Night Fireworks Battle is... Team Browson! Oh, guys, we actually won! We won! Yes! 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 actually did it! We won the trophy! Yes! Yes! I knew we could do it! I can't believe it. The trophy is ours. Let's go! Alright! We did it! I know I have to do it. We're the champions of the world! Yes! Yes! That's my boy! We did it! We won the trophy! Congratulations, Team Warzone! No. Do you have anything to say? Well... Uh-oh. There's a firework in your butt! Well, I don't see any firework in my butt. Wait a minute. And as for me, I'm gonna kill myself because I lost!